My better put how far. Hope see all man dey fine. Hope see all man woke up fine. Today in another episode for Better Topo, and for Better Topo today we go the language on a story with some Cameroonian comedian slash businessman. His name is Danny Green. So make una stay tuned, and just after the break, me and Danny Green will go the language on a Better Topo. Hi, better people. I bring you guys good news. So if you're in the USA, Canada, Ireland, France, or Spain, you can actually send money to the MTN mobile money account or Orange mobile money account of your recipient in Cameroon for free. What do you have to do? Just download the SendWave app. You can download the SendWave app on Google Play or on App Store and fill in your details, and that's it. Just because you're a better person, you actually get the chance to have $10 for free. When you're inputting your details, just use our promo code BETTERTHINGS and your recipient in Cameroon is going to get $10 for free. So that's it. Download the SendWave app today and send money to your loved ones in Cameroon for free. Yes, my better people, just as I be tell una today, me and Danny Green will go the language on a Better Topo. Danny, how far?
They fine.
Why are you fresh so?
That my name no, Danny Green Fresh King.
That really fresh king.
I'm represent my name.
He really fresh. Hard things, hard today.
You do work small.
Small.
Yeah.
Only small.
Small, no. But they work fast.
All right, so we'll take some short break and then we'll come back. Me and Danny will the on a Better Topo.
Okay.
Hi, better people. I bring you guys good news. So if you're in the USA, Canada, Ireland, France, or Spain, you can actually send money to the MTN mobile money account or Orange mobile money account of your recipient in Cameroon for free. What do you have to do? Just download the SendWave app. You can download the SendWave app on Google Play or on App Store and fill in your details, and that's it. Just because you're a better person, you actually get the chance to have $10 for free. When you're inputting your details, just use our promo code BETTERTHINGS and your recipient in Cameroon is going to get $10 for free. So that's it. Download the SendWave app today and send money to your loved ones in Cameroon for free. Okay, so there we Danny Green. We know you as Danny Green, but your name not be Danny. Yeah, Danny not from your name Daniel. So tell me like about you. Me, I don't say be Danny Green. Now so you be popular as comedian, but I know say you do business on the side. So yeah, tell me about you no. Like tell me something about you no.
Plenty things about me where people don't know.
Yes.
Most
start with so where you come from. Like most start with your name.
Okay. My name is Natembo Daniel.
Yes.
If I mention that last name now.
Mention now. Why here?
So my partner Metaman from Bengui.
Okay.
Yes. My name is Igbo woman from Imo State.
Oh really?
Yes. So they born me for Nigeria.
Wow.
For the yes.
You go for the...
Yes.
Okay. So you can Cameroon when? Started how old?
2009, my first year in Cameroon.
You serious?
Yes. I go to school all my life now for Nigeria. Primary school, secondary school, senior YX, JAM.
Wow.
Everything now for Nigeria.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Then you can Cameroon for 2009?
2009. They talk say JAM not be equivalent for GCE, so they send me back for Form 5. So I go from 5 for day school for progressive, then I go evening classes too for opposite. So that very year, I get my O. The next year, 2010, I get my advanced.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, after advanced level, what you study?
After advanced level, life be strong because my parents so we be staying for one room house for no. That we staying for travelers.
For Bamenda.
Yes. So from the house, my parents, that's the brother house. And the house be small. They make me too, with my pa and my small for the same house, they still in the league. So when I finish my advance, my pa be happy. But when I be there for you for send me for university, so he tell me say since I be the first son, my sister them too, they need for at least get the advance too. So man, I come join you for glasswork, know the work. Yeah, so I be drop out from school. No be say I drop out, I be stop, I no be fit continue. So my pa start work for the glasswork factory old church.
Okay.
For 3 good years. That's the first year I dey go find work. I dey enter inside bush, then go look play with somebody big house. They say, my partner glass man, if you leave a move, come do your glass work, my partner so the best glass man. So I do that in plenty, my pastor get work plenty. So that time we call it and say prospection. That time my pastor say, let's do prospection. My pastor say, what is prospection? Okay. I mean, as I tell my pastor, if I say mood do prospection, you don't know which now. Prospection. Okay. If one time we get plenty to work them, if I say we print something them from a small book I don't know for advanced level. So that's how I start to go inside. We start get plenty to work them. So I can buy my own machines. Today my pa even go get land from Gongam big house. Wow. Inside that 3 years.
Wow.
And then I don't intermediate house, I go to stay me one. So till 2014, let me say I stayed for house almost 4 years. Then now they can launch some scholarship for Meta. Because they talk say they will send 3 beginning of school for free. I go write that scholarship exam. I passed number 1.
Wow.
After 4 years, I don't go to school.
I swear. Sense and keep.
Even that be rough picking, but my sense, my brain be there intact. So that's why I take and go to university.
Wow.
And then to cut your next story where you want to ask them, my first year for university now, I don't believe if you ever can go to school. All the stress with me and my parents go through. I did for class, sometimes they cry. Wow. So people there around me, they laugh, the faces on get on break my heart. Even for city.
Wait, okay, you just be emotional about the fact that you finally go to university.
Go to school. Wow. So when they cry, my friends they laugh, the news they go around and say, see that man, they cry, they don't broke out. So they don't know actually until I open up with some person. But you know, some marriage just don't, she don't some kind of cry inside class or for house. Then one day, so my classmate be sick. He don't sick for almost 2 weeks. I go there now, I start make fun. I start to cry, say, you know where, but he did sick. So my mistakenly record them. Post them for WhatsApp group for school. You want me the next day or one time, the whole school,
they
cry. I said, oh, my career is start. So that's when my comedy career started 2014. But before then, I've been an artist. Sing all kinds of songs. Do album. I get 2 gospel albums. Yes.
What's the album today? You hide down. You know what that one year of who more year album?
I agree with
gospel album then?
Yes, 2 gospel albums them. I tell you, I'm smart. Wow.
That's it. You don't really.
Not jump for just them.
So you finally finished university now?
Yes, I've finished.
You've been studying everything?
Radiology.
Wow.
X-ray and this thing, ultrasound, and the rest. I get my HPD. That time I will still struggle with balance the comedy and school, but I give school 90%. That comedy 10 because that time been around Bamida and around school. Until I get my HPD, then I get my degree 2019. 2019 now I finish my degree because I don't promise my parents say I'm gonna get that degree.
I swear.
For give you at least. For me, the first man picking for get degree for my entire generation, both my mama and my pa's side.
Not easy.
Yes. So I don't know I must break this thing. At least first, even before I go further. Let me set. So even my small periphery, my brother, and my own picking to the go.
They feel continue
from there. And after I finished now school for 2019, I just cut rope. I said, okay. It's time for us to do comedy. I started Emam. That very year to the comedy blow.
For Facebook, especially on WhatsApp groups.
Yes, that the first one I be doing Concha Fankanda. As I be enter Douala, so I do Iwaka. Then I do another one say Sense One Kimi Banana. That one just
take over.
That one just travel. So since then, just small.
So you don't. Why you? So that thing I make up now because of that cry scene where you decide would use crying for your comedy.
No.
Which make I decide we use crying.
I don't always want to pass message. He ever, that kind of picking will grow, will be president, will change our country, will be very ambitious. But I don't, as I go to school, I study to my environment, I study to Cameroon. I never go show them. For night, after my class, they never even blow. We follow them, we go show. Go stay today. Maybe I get exam the next day. I go still run, come back. If my friend may read book from 6 to 7, me I go read my own now from 1 to 7 at the interclass, so my eyes red. I never sleep. So I will work overtime while I take my time to study. Yeah, even as a child, my mother don't teach me a lot of things. They say if you want to succeed, you get 4 months, bend down, watch, not just jump inside water where you don't know the depth of the water. Because you give maybe sand stick, look the depth of the water, measure that with yourself, put your foot, put your hand for see whether it's hot. So I will take a small, I study Cameroon, I study the audience. I will I get to know my people first before I will be able to reach to them. Because if you want to continue, you don't know people that you want to do one for. Let's say you want cook chop, ask people
whether they like pepper or they need the chop sauce.
Go pack Maggi. They don't chop them.
Yes.
So I be looking critically, I come see and say no, so I get for do them. And then my one message I like for impact now, youth empowerment for youth them, give you the power because you say for our country, are you the need great talk? Yes, because they fear say if they talk, so they will catch them, they will kill them. But when last, all man go still die. He'll talk, he will die. He don't talk, he will still die. So I be trying to pass out that message. And I look where I go pass that message.
Where no go look too serious.
No go. You know how they package mess, They can put some code where it is sweet. As it is suck and I go reach for inside how it start.
You feel the bitter.
So I find when I package my message, I use comedy. Comedy. I don't prefer seeing myself as a comedian. I see myself like a messenger, like an activist.
Town crier.
Yes, like town. That's why I choose that name, say town crier. Because like person where he talk for people. Person where he actually talk to them for plenty people that are mine. You just take and so talk them. So, and then the best way if you say for Cameroon where you make they catch you, finish with you. But if you package something for some nice way. He want vex person, but the person never vex. Even though he don't like a vex. The way
they think come out,
if you do nothing. If like say the coach person, he wait, me talk some one thing, but you need to talk about, you know what you
talk about.
So that's how we package. That be like a tool to pass out a message.
Wow.
Yes.
Then how they cry now enter inside?
The cry in a lot of sense, Cameroon na already burial ground. Oh man, they cry. People they cry inside their mind. Yeah, and it start now. My comedy start now when crisis start. Almost the same period. So as people don't ever cry, my comedy that time will be mostly on to show the world what really happen for Cameroon.
Yes.
I will take images them, cry about things that happen. So now so we start. So, yeah.
But I want to know, okay, like when we come back from the break, you go tell me why it is easy for you to cry.
Okay.
Hi, better people. I bring you guys good news. So if you're in the USA, Canada, Ireland, France, or Spain, you can actually send money to the MTN Mobile Money account or Orange Mobile Money account of your recipients in Cameroon for free. What do you have to do? Just download the SendWave app. You can download the SendWave app on Google Play or on App Store and fill in your details, and that's it. Just because you're a better person, you actually get the chance to have $10 for free. When you're inputting your details, just use our promo code BETTERTHINGS and your recipient in Cameroon is going to get $10 for free. So that's it. Download the SendWave app today and send money to your loved ones in Cameroon for free. All right, so then tell we, why is it easy for you to cry? Because crying doesn't, like me, for example, I don't feel cry now, but if I say cry now, you cry.
Like I have been talking now, say for 2014, I remember now how I don't reach for
But that part for your life don't pass.
I don't, if you ever pass, it's for my head. I don't ever suffer. I don't say people don't suffer, no. But my own, it be too much. Like, that time, it be been just me and mommy for Nigeria. I'll be go through hell. Like, imagine a situation where you and your picking, then you go morning time, you put water for table, you pray, say, God bless this food. Water, I drink them, go school, come back, go say gâteau. I say gâteau, say my hair peel for me do.
Wow.
When I left from Saw, I see carry show, I saw show glass day. You get three step them. 1, 2, 3, meat pie day for you. So the Nigerian bones, the current say bones, they for this side. I carry them enter inside. And then my remedy, it be the share, maybe I not go be useful. My remedy be to show me pepper. If they carry motor, the motor paste where they use them for pounds. And, they come around here. Some big ones where they pound. They can't put under my head. Count A, B, C. How can A, gosh. Wow. No day, no pass, one, no cry. And when I want to cry, another big cry. So I be over. My mother be chief for a village for although they be give like 4 family me the farm because my papa don't come back for here. He enjoy life. So that farm them na me and my mother at the farm that maybe around 9 to 10 p.m. for night. People they pass holla. So they
it
find
been a punishment.
No, now for them with you. So you know that's how life is difficult.
Oh, okay, like hustle.
The only place where would you take job, take a cassava, go sell them. But then they go to sometimes they catch you for border. That's when you go carry bell or close them. They catch you, burn it in them. When it's not contraband time, you spend like 3 days for sale. We are doing one with my sister. So cry, so they pray. Wow. You come back now, so you don't pay. You be worried. I finished school, so I go university. I say, no, I can't find my pa. I come back to my pa here for Cameroon because I'm doing research so far. I don't know how they call that thing for English. Since I pigeon show this. I did Nigeria, but they call me say Cameroonian. They don't
people that be stigmatized.
Yes, there was a stigma. Serious one. Like if they play ball, Cameroon score, I'm glad they beat me. If I talk anything, maybe they want to give position for school. They don't give me because they call me say Cameroonian. So if you don't too much to the level way, I don't fit take me again. So I better come me back for Cameroon. And when I come back for Cameroon again, I still face the same thing because we call me say Nigerian because we get that accent, that face. So it take me like 2 years to actually mix myself inside my own people and then be recognized. Wow. So I get enough reason for cry. I just need for just cover my eye and.
They remember one thing.
It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. There is them plenty.
Wow.
Then I just do my bar for the same bed. When I start for, we just shift soap bucket. I say, go eat that toto when you flop. I go to. Only for back travel. I swear. You be worried. But now, at least, if you watch my videos now, I know they cry the way I be cry before. The crying, it don't change because I don't also get a lot of good memories.
Yeah.
Yes. I don't get things that don't change. At least now I send money for my pa, I send money for my sister, I pay my small school fees them. And then I feel like at least things not bad as like it used to be before. Yes. So for me for crying now, like, as I be cry, if you watch my videos before, it's difficult. It's hard for me for crying. It don't change.
You say sometimes go last reach where you know even the cry again. At all. I get fit now.
I hope so. I pray because I pray and I say, God wipe my tears. So if God wipe my tears, I don't cry again. It's fine. I will start laughing and laughing.
Yeah, exactly.
I like them.
All right. So I mean, inside. We'll talk about your highlights inside comedy. Okay. We'll talk about your highlights inside comedy because as you make the video, share the banana, sense one give me, it go viral. Yeah. You know, and from there you start get opportunities them. Your following they increase. So people start reach out to you for influencer deals them, you start get contracts them, you don't work with big brand them and stuff. So of course it don't change for you. So why you feel say comedy don't give you this, like, it don't change your life? Because plenty people they do comedy for Cameroon. Actually, people they do comedy online, but they don't get as much. They never get as much opportunities as you, or they never get as much business deals come their way the way it don't come for you. So why you think say you do differently way the other men they do? And as you talk, 2019 where you want to start just that same year, you already blow literally as he had videos every day outside. So what do you think say you do differently?
Just like as I be talk, you know, if you do something where you never plan,
Yeah.
You take your time, study. If you do, we talk about English, feasibility study, you shall say, no, not so, you get for do the thing. Because if you do and so, you go fail. I don't already know all my tactics I get for use them, because I don't really know Cameroonians, them. I don't really know. I be giving pepper to pepper. Because I know say them, not be people the way you make suffer with them.
Yeah.
If Cameroonian tell you that I love you, don't know say you no go succeed. If you say, we'll deal with you, boy, they do fine, go. It's over for you. But if they rally for your back, say you no go make them, don't know say you don't go because it's there for the heart. Yes. And so I come in and they not say they hate you. But I say you don't shock them. And they don't like the shock. Yeah, they don't like the shock. And another thing that to say, if you decide to be artist because you don't frustrate in life.
Yeah.
If you don't talk, say no, you don't fail in life, then you talk, okay, I'll be comedian because I don't sit down again in the memorable comedy. No. Now, two different things them. Yeah. I finished my school. I choose comedy. Yes. I know she does all things. Hi, Masa. I don't try the one fail. The one no fail. I know try the comedy so. That time now it's not your passion.
Yeah.
You force them. And people, brands and people like us will get mind with the see and will say no.
The one fake.
This thing no be your it's not your calling. And definitely you know if you succeed for thing will not be your calling.
Yeah.
So if you look at majority of our artists, them, comedians, and people they all woke up because
they
abandon school.
Sometimes the trend.
They feel like say comedy is a route for them to make money. No. It's not that thing. Comedy is not for everybody. If you want them, if you decide to say comedy away for you, when we say no, you get for work 10 times harder than the person who actually get the talent.
Talents, yeah.
Yeah, it's like example of Davido and Wizkid. Wizkid doesn't work much with. Sorry, I don't go talk English. Wizkid didn't work in plenty. But Davido, the work so he push.
Yeah.
So, and then you get the same success too. But you can choose something when never choose you.
Not true.
Yes. Comedy choose me. See the way it happened now?
Yeah.
It happened. I no plan. It start trend for school. I go back for a house. I say, no, I test them. I do some video. I cry. Say, I don't kiss some person. After I show now when I follow, I kill on Sunday. Starting today, my party play with that video. Let me say, imagine our whole house, my mommy, my small them, now them first start enjoy my comedy first. Let me say, I feel blow for my family. Yes, go. I feel blow for our family. Blow for my quarter first. Then before I even blow for Bamenda, before I can't do I can't start again. Actually, before I want to come up Bamenda, I be being a star. No show, no day way, no with the headliner.
Wow.
For Bamenda that time. But I entered Douala here.
No man, don't know you. Get a start back.
I thought for them, but Musa did no.
No man,
no person no make so as I mean say I try to go here one day, nobody, and so it is true for Billy. So one man look like say, I say let me say walk there. I come back now, I can check now strategy. Which kind of video have you done where it will catch Pa and Mami their attention. I look that Pa Mami them because if you succeed for win Pa and Mami their heart, Mami them. Don't say you don't finish. Because then they talk say that means you are looking for you want be a household name. Yes. You want that you want to be a household name. I mean say people they shit over house so just wanna come watch the
video.
So now for this now I create that idea for Conchav video. Yes, and it work.
It really work.
I take time like 2 weeks. I think because if you want progress, you must check how far. If you just do anyhow, you must strategize.
Sure. Yeah.
Like now, if I want to do videos, okay, I want to do video for trend inside the Jack Iron. How go do I go think within 2 days I will get some idea.
Yeah.
Yes, even if it take longer, no problem. I say the idea must come. Yes. Like how I do the video for say wisdom no get sense. The one now when I do that video first time, I don't do that video like 6 times. I no post now. First one I do, I be talk about Cameroon. Name them. I say no, this video so you go trend for Cameroon, you no go trend out of Cameroon. I do them again. I say no, you know find I do mostly only Nigeria. I say I do them. I last do the final one way. I do them in the way where you no go know whether I be Nigerian or I be Cameroonian. You don't say no, I be African. Then I just talk and I say Africa. You say my mind don't go big.
Yeah.
I need to talk again say. Who creates Cameroon? Who do it for Cameroon? Now I talk now Africa. Now if person is share the video now,
if you go any site,
a wider audience.
Exactly.
Kenyan man go relate, Nigerian man, and that video, actually blowing.
Yes.
Yes. Now they don't just. In fact, everywhere the video, almost 1 million views on TikTok. I mean, the video go. You see, and that's what I'm saying. You know, feel you do something where you know.
Yeah.
Strategize. You need to strategize.
Wow. All right, though. So
now that way school fine. Now that way
school fine. Exactly.
Yeah.
Because
even if na ordinary level.
Yes.
Advanced level.
Get them.
Fine.
Yeah.
School fine.
It give you different way for
sharpen
think.
Your mind.
Yes. Okay, now don't hear Danny Green. When I don't drop out of school, to say I want to be like Danny Green. You want to be like Danny Green, but you don't want to go to school like Danny Green.
I swear.
All right, so we'll take a short break and then we'll come back. Me and Daddy go dilago on a better topo.
Okay.
Hi, better people. I bring you guys good news. So if you're in the USA, Canada, Ireland, France, or Spain, you can actually send money to the MTN Mobile Money account or Orange Mobile Money account of your recipient in Cameroon for free. What do you have to do? Just download the SendWave app. You can download the SendWave app on Google Play or on App Store and fill in your details, and that's it. Just because you're a better person, you actually get the chance to have $10 for free. When you're inputting your details, just use our promo code BETTERTHINGS and your recipient in Cameroon is going to get $10 for free. So that's it. Download the SendWave app today and send money to your loved ones in Cameroon for free. All right, so Danigrite, you don't get a couple of controversies online. So one time, whether the Comedians Association, they say they don't disown you. They don't disown you. Comedians Association, they don't say Comedians Association exists. Now, they disown you, even show me, I talk for myself. I thought they disown you, I don't say it exists. The other time again, they say Danny Green don't crease for Nigeria. Wait. Me, the thing no convince you. I don't say that the green of Chris her, you know. So in short, and then another thing we other people don't talk. I think that Napster Nabil will call you out, so you be disrespectful. They help people blow now, you don't blow it, it match them, it high. So more address the controversy they don't get online.
Okay, that first one they so now one of the reasons that way I decried too, but I don't forget it. Because I started my comedy to 2014. Since that time till today, no Cameroonian celebrity ever post my video. No Cameroonian celebrity never ever helped me anyway. None. Absolutely none. Okay, that apart. So I don't succeed, find a niche for myself. When I don't contact me, say, guess our group can't join we, you know, find me to do your thing. You want, come me tell me. I said, okay, now which kind of group? Say, now WhatsApp group, there's so now Anglophone group. I said, okay, now Anglophone, now comedian day for the, no problem. Ma join now. They say, no, if you join, you go pay 5,000. I said, no problem. I pay 5,000. I join group. I don't join group. 1 month they can pass, nothing happen for group. And then I say, one contribute money 10,000. One go dream me for Bamenda. I say, but me, I have a principle where I grow my remember. My mother is a stained Christian. He bring me up in a way where he hardly see me involved in some kind issues there. So I tell him, say, this group is about drinking of Mimbo. Because since we joined the group, I'm supposed to don't see some idea, do maybe a comedy show or an outreach. First of all, I never ever hear me about this group before. As I don't want to talk, they say, no, I disrespect them. So I don't come. I say, Ben, you put me for the group now. And I don't like me the norms. If not to say, come up Baminda, go Douala, go Baminda, for go drink, then come up Baminda again, come for Boya. Paraba Mimbo. No, I don't go fit, and I know my vision not align with the vision of the group. They say, I'll be disrespectful. Bro, the next morning time, they move communicate for social media. Say they don't move me for group. I'll be like, okay, these people are my people, my grandfather them. You put me for group, you know, move communicate. You actually silently put me in a group. This thing happen only between we. Yeah. And then you move communicate, you go pay bloggers, maybe share the communicate. I'm like, oh, okay. Now I understand, say these people don't actually like you. Because if me and you argue for you now, and then you come go move communicate. Say me, you don't argue. It means say you are looking for a way to put me down. And then you go to the extent of you paying bloggers to share the news. So I just understand, so, okay, that's how it is. And I don't really know from the beginning, ever since, nothing great comes easy. I don't know. Say, if you're doing anything and then you don't face any challenges, I'm sorry, forgive me. I don't really know since, if you do anything and then you don't get challenges for your road, just go back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even though this moment, I remember a prayer I never pray, say, if you are doing something and then there's no stress, pray for stress. I say, but Mama, why you thought the kind of thing? He says stress, they bring out the best in you. So when you don't stress or when you don't encounter, he say challenges. When you don't encounter challenges, you grow. And without challenges, you know if you grow. And ever since that saga, a lot of things then change about me. Since that thing, it changed. And then something in regards to that very thing, a lot of people, they not be support me. They not be actually like what you had to do. But not be say they don't like them. Like, I know say any entertainer get haters.
Yeah.
But me, I know very well say I get more of people where they love me, they admire me so much. Yes. But people where they hate me, like people the way I don't actually clash with them. People where I get personal problem with them. Like maybe you can't comment on my page, say you are not funny, I'll blast you, I'll curse you, I'll watch you. But at that time, because I know very well say if you want to hold a strong man, according to the Bible, you need to go talk, say, strong man, please come. I want to tie you. No, you go for your house, you bind it, tie it. Yes, escape me as Bible. So I be use the harsh method. I will the best method for Cameroon because if you want to go, I wait my pass. I beg, I want blow.
No man will look you.
No one day. But if you actually face them, like the Bible talks, say the violent, the children of God suffer violence.
The violent take it by force.
Take it by force. They come the block road. Me, I take my caterpillar, I jam out. Yes. Scatter me the place, pass go me. So those people, they make me actually get problem. They hate me. But if I would like a person hate me, but don't hate what I do. Because you know very well say this thing you get your audience.
Yeah.
Me and if I get a problem, I hate you. But I know if you can talk, say I hate Beta Topo. Beta Topo, they actually educate people, bring out a lot of things. No, but I hate Clarence, but I don't hate what you are doing because people are enjoying this thing.
Yeah.
It's be evident say people they enjoy this thing. From the time when you made they share my video. Denzel Washington from America share my video. So that's already enough reason for take Cameroon and they say, when I leave the man this is destined for greatness. But still, on top of one of them, the way I say, may Jesus Christ can put my video for heaven. So that one I was just understand say, those people, they miss the opportunity for ever be my grandfriend. Because as a young boy, I started doing comedy. I be expect to say someone was okay, periphery come. Who my hands okay, can't shit off here. Now, the way they make the biggest mistake, try to fight me. If someone be talk say, okay, like, you know, someone do Zachary Lomop. Zachary Lomop, they call me from Holland. He tell me, say, Perry, I like what you do. Carry today, if you watch me and you don't do a couple of comedies from that's how you do it on send I'm do my own join and post them. Now the only person that will call me, say, boy, I like you. Your energy too much. And then boy that coming too, boy that coming for boy. I go to your house, you keep chicken, we chop, tell me say, boy, I don't need to do comedy for how many years now, no blow. You just come from nowhere. The guy openly. So he takes several with me, tell me say no, irrespected. But the rest, they were like trying to oppose, fight. And when I mistake that, imagine say if someone can't take my hand, so it's okay, boy, she don't like you. You would have had respect. But imagine say your grandfather the one push you down. No. How can you respect the person again? How can you? Imagine that now I cannot be proud of any Cameroonian celebrity that posted my video. I don't even knock my chest and talk say.
You man be helping me. Man be helping my blow.
When there's some small way someone be just doing your Emma for your page.
Yeah.
Post them.
Anyway, at the end of the day, you know, life get as they know. People they go always like what they like and they don't like what they don't like. Some person video really like, your style of comedy. No mean as long as people the way they like them, they're good enough. and
for that Napstar I own. Napstar this so when I tell you say I've been an artist now, when I did Bamenda. I contact Napstar, I tell them say so I want to come interview for Napstar. They say I pay 100,000. That time I was being an upcoming artist. I said, okay, I did my money. How I would get 100,000 now? And then only for transport, hotel, he passed me. You know, saying after, he forget me, you know the person where he be asking 100,000 for 2020. I think that's happened when I don't finally blow, you now can call me now, give me free show, pay me transport. I can't pay a show now. You tell me, say you help me. Please, he help me now.
But how
he used me. What Clash stand and say he post my video, you know, tag me. Nobody say no tag me, you crop out my handle from the video.
Okay, they actually
they crop them. Yes, like they can't for you they actually crop them, and it's evidence that you crop the video. Now, by the way, what Clash that I confront you say, why you crop that video? Why you not just post my video, leave my handle for the or no tag me, but leave the handle in the video. You just go move communicate.
That's happening.
Yes, that's all.
Okay, so you write it personally.
Personally. Like I'm angry. Say, why don't you can't change the what kind of I'm seeing my bid on your page, but you don't crop my handle. Why you know just leave the no tag me, but leave no mutate. I thought say no mutate my content because that's already mutation of my content. Yes. You don't take and go edit them. It means say you can you don't pass another information from one way me pass up.
Yeah.
Boom. Next thing communicate.
Now they communicate what they see and what it accident.
When something we fix something out between us, say, well, bro, I'm sorry. It will not happen again. A move now communicate because they find way for blow. Yes, all of them, they find way for blow for my back. That one, they move communicate for can come in mess more wave. Nobody don't finish. Don't hear. Since that day, this is not never here. Move communicate for Danny Green, it trend. Since they don't ever trend something again. Nothing I've ever trend about all of them again. But when they don't mention my name, so they trend. Yes.
They have when they put it, they claim say you don't blow, you high now with them.
No. So my classmates do the Torah kind of talk. See, don't be say you don't blow it high. And the clad na simple fact say when person grow, no be
high with you for the same level.
Yes. No be say you high. Like now, me and we don't schedule the interview for how long? You don't take time. Okay. Now they call you for you be ambassador for this one. You get a lot of things. You see yourself different, like your busybody. You see yourself more like a professional. You know, it's not possible. You know, if you ever day again with all man the way we did. So they you change number. Because any kind of person can write you. I don't change number like 3 times. Can write you, yo bro, how far? You feel bad.
They feel bad.
You feel bad because the person don't take a number from nowhere. He don't come. You don't even talk, say, hello, sir, good day. My name is the person. You don't say, yo, bro, how far? Someone can talk, say, yo. Then go in, with me, you can reply, say, yo. You say, massa, what's that you do? He says, you as a celeb, you always feel like the more you grow, the more you sell yourself, the more your market is sell. Yes, but now for Cameroon, not be so exposed today for Nigeria. For Cameroon, yeah, when you be yourself, when you be available for people, they disrespect you. Like you see some peripherals, so you say, wow, Peri come I like you, can't shit off here. As a peripheral can't shit on you for here, you look at shoes and say you wear shoes for 10K. Now all that. You go to that ground, some careless ground, what can wear shoe there for 10,000. Some kind of careless man. Or you call if your house now say, boy, come to my house. He can see you move your clothes, he did empty skin. He look at belly, look at chest. Now it's in that. This is not so Cameroonian you then they don't.
You actually get points with that.
Yes. But if in Nigeria, David if you move it close, they go see Haley say, yeah, oh, be you. Oh. They go see loving, nothing no go change for me, respect, even one bit. Yes. But yeah, no try. I'm small, you just go sometimes I will tour up, say, pass. I'm a celebrity that. We don't be so supposed to be. You make an some people now, so celebrity, then they shy away from helping people. Because if you bring it for your house, you can look along, look at
the TV. Next minute, they go movie on news.
You get some small toy TV for your house. Inside Cameroonian youth, them, if they did 199 days so. If they feel the cosh 8 office, cosh, nobody is free. No
man, no day.
No man. No man, no day. So, you know, if you ever please Anglophone youth, and in America they are celebrities and now they go bankruptcy, they poor because they try for impress fan them. You know, if you impress Cameroonian audience because they get anger inside them. First of all, crisis, they government, they bad, depression, they all my mind, they vex, problem, they took outside, hungry, they want to win the show. You know, if you impress them, if you like now, so make me a buy Range Rover now or a BB house, some person goes.
So you say, okay, they say that money, but take I go beach church. You go beach church, somebody say for B school.
You know, impress Cameroonian you them.
But you don't get experience for actually work with comedians for Nigeria. You know, you come up for here like unlike people the same way they do for Nigeria. And so, like, how you do because you be Nigerian. So how do you explore your Nigerian side, especially in the comedy business?
Not so if I want to go Nigeria, I go as a Cameroonian. Last time we go Nigeria, I get paper issues. Yes, if you be follow up, I report how it starts, they be worrying me. Yes, because I not be Nigerian. Yes, I'm a Cameroonian and again a Cameroon ID card and passport. Yes, so them didn't regard me as a Nigerian, as their brother. Yes, even though maybe I get their energy because I grow them, they relate with the energy. Now that way you see my video trend for Nigeria because they feel like this is kind of thing that and the reason that way most Cameroonians they didn't understand who's the boy come on. They look the energy, they need to understand.
It be different.
It's different. Clear. It's different from what they see on a regular basis.
Yes.
So you now you be who you want show say wait. So me I understand if some people actually hate it because if me I do mechanics or man come can do some kind of mechanics, me I go hate you. I mean you want to do what? Say come on. So it's normal. It's normal. But them the Nigerian I got almost 50,000 followers when the Nigerians them. You see, and when you see the Nigerians their own approach, Nigerian will also say, bro, send me your link. Let me go and watch a video. But Cameroonian will say, send me that video. Send me the full video. You see, not two different people. When Nigerian write you, hello, bro, man, I love you so much. I love your videos. Your videos are good. Keep up, okay? If you need to say thank you, then go here. Cameroonian, you say, hey. He say, please, who is this? I don't want to follow you. So he said, these two people that do this.
It's different.
So we still get long years to go to build our youth, them ethics, how work day. I swear. They work too much.
You know, it's just sweet today. This point no longer it's sweet very badly. So hopefully we'll go so get some gifts for you.
Okay.
Yes, gifts for get up for all our guests them. And then, you know, before you leave, we tell we are better pineapple. Like some talk way, you know, say, you know, I mean, short, some pineapple way for you. It get deep meaning. Whenever I think about them, it make I remember some kind of thing, or it give you some kind of mood, or it make I energy be some kind of way.
My pineapple go come on from which really recently go on way I see people they tell me how they be proud of me. My own people that I did every day, they never share my video, but they talk say they be proud of me. My pineapple they go now for the young comedians them, young entertainers them, young artists them, up and coming. Say me they no worry. Say time they way all man go support you because if for support you don't be popular.
Don't be lie.
Yeah, so no give up.
Yeah.
The time they come, even people they don't support you now, they will support you because for support you don't mean as a new trend. Yes.
You very badly. All right, one last thing. We'll know the other side of you. Besides comedy, which other business you did? Like, tell me about your businesses.
Okay. Besides comedy, I get a skincare brand. Yes.
Yes, skincare brand. Wow.
Yes, but I never put my face there. Yes, I never put my name there, but I have a skincare brand then. As a comedian, too, I'll be influencer. Yeah. So I do branding, I do advertisement for companies and brands. Yeah. Yes. And then I go point small for ecography. Yes. For when so I do ecography, ultrasound, if only for pregnant obstetric ultrasound. Yes.
So you still work for your field?
Yes, I do work. I do work some small clinic for any clinic where maybe if they agree, I just come. Work. Maybe I'll give you a day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They come with a patient in there. I can do that. ultrasound. They give me a small thing, I vanish.
Confirm.
Dong, yes.
All right, so Daddy, thank you plenty for the time we don't spend our way. We don't really enjoy your company, and we hope to see you next time for better top.
Thank you for the condom you don't give me.
All right, bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Since one kill me, since one kill me, since one kill me, bro, you know fit fool me. Since one kill me, since one kill me, since one kill me, bro, you know fit fool me. Since one kill me, since one kill me,